Our next presenter is Nischita Kaza, speaking on shining new light on blood, fast, simple, and cost-effective blood analysis via deep ultraviolet microscopy.
I'm sure all of you here can remember a time when you were unwell and the doctor ordered a blood test to figure out the underlying issue. This is because blood tests are integral to diagnose and monitor a range of conditions, from allergies and infections all the way to certain types of cancers. However, despite being one of the most common medical tests, with a few billion of these being performed every year, the conventional techniques for blood analysis are inefficient, resource-intensive, and expensive. While the added time and cost associated with these techniques might only be a minor inconvenience for some of us, for others, they could mean the difference between life and death. My research seeks to address the drawbacks of conventional techniques in a number of different ways. Typically, once you provide a blood sample, it goes through a series of time-consuming sample preparation steps, wherein a trained operator manually applies chemical stains or labels to produce a colorful image like the one seen here, where you can clearly distinguish different cell types. In my lab, we use ultraviolet or UV light rather than visible light to produce a grayscale image where different cells can be clearly distinguished without the need for any additional sample preparation or staining. We've developed a simple UV microscope that's about the size of a lunchbox and can replace several of the bulkier commercial alternatives at a tiny fraction of the cost. We go a step further in improving the efficiency of our technology by eliminating the need for a human expert to manually annotate and count cells. Instead, we leverage artificial intelligence to transform our grayscale image into a colorized image that resembles the chemically stained images, and then accurately classify and count cells. With this, our automated UV-based blood analysis pipeline is not only simple and cost-effective, but also extremely fast, delivering results in under 3 minutes, as opposed to a few hours, or in extreme cases, even days. This means that we can not only monitor patients more frequently, but we can diagnose diseases faster, which could lead to new treatments that improve outcomes for patients world over. I'm really excited about the further developments of this technology, and I hope that the next time you're unwell and in need of a blood test, the procedure is as easy and straightforward as having your temperature measured with a thermometer. Thank you.